Good morning. Very good morning, all. Imra, everything fine? Am I audible to everyone? Shubhadeep? Yes. Good. How is weather? How is weather at your home means your town? What sunny? Akashdeep, what is sunny? Sunny or rainy? Smithranjan Sahu? Oh, okay. I understand. So how is going on preparation? Both 11th and 12th. Good. Are you able to solve the questions? Very nice. And now you see here. All you just see. I just reminder you one more procedure from the projectile, and then we go to the relative motion between the two particles. You see none of this? So what is the path followed by the body here also same. Reaches the ground in 3 seconds. But you just see here, for example, I give you a name A, B and C. What is AC, Nana? Anybody? What is AC? Just you give me briefly. I give you here U cos theta. This is U sin theta. One more thing I reminded you here, you see. This is the vertical projection from tower, one dimensional. But in a two dimensional, you just share with me what is this value here, capital H, U cos theta. What is AC? Nana? Here AC. Here capital H equal to from what it is. Capital H is equal to how much, Nana? The maximum height from the AC only. Formula I can write U square sin square theta by 2g. The total height from ground is equal to how much? Small h plus capital H. And AC is equal to range of the projectile along the what? Means from the foot of the top of the tower. What is this? U square sin 2 theta by g. But what about this value? OD you can take. What about OD? ROD. This is RAC. So RAC you can take. What is ROD? How do you calculate ROD? It takes the time to reach the point D is 3 seconds. So no, don't. ROD means this one horizontal distance. Horizontal distance nothing but what I write. U cos theta into T, small t. But we cannot write here. But suppose, sir, I want this RAC is equal to U cos theta into TAC only. But this one is how much? TAD, T seconds. And again, equations you use H is equal to, and H equal to half into GT square minus. Here vertical velocity U, here vertical velocity U sin theta. So I can use the basic phenomena, but we have considered from the top of the tower instead of ground. See this. Sir, I want to calculate velocity. Velocity any point you can know no processor Vx. This is Vy. Time is alpha. What is the formula of V bar? Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. Common. This is common term. Have we cleared now here? All. Yes. And now you see here one small question given from our material. Not level 5 questions, what we are doing from the on board. So already material uploaded in the Vija portal, advanced material. Try to download and start to do the numericals. Okay, Nana? Uploaded in Vija portal. Try to download and then start to do the numericals. Iran. For example, if they ask you to determine the radius of curvature at any point, what we do? Centripetal force is equal to V square by R. But suppose here is there G cos alpha. Procedure same like in the objective projectile. Okay. Now see the question. I don't write total. I just give you strictly. Number 27, page number 162. More material direct question. All you see the question now. How they are interlinked the formulas, just see. Then you know the procedure and everything. The question is, the particle A this is the particle B. If both particles means two particles A and B are projected from two different points as shown in figure. I don't write everything, just as shown in figure. If they collide in air, then what is the distance between the tower? What is the distance between towers? Ten now, 20, 30, 40. It's not visible. Wait. Very good question. Maybe they ask you this part. Distance between the 2 points means two towers. Maybe they ask you one more question. At what time they are collided? Maybe they ask you what is the position of the two bodies where the collision occurs from the what? Foot. From the foot or ground. Multiple questions we can choose from the one part. Have you got all questions? Here they are asking only distance between the towers. Maybe they ask you time of collision, or maybe they ask you distance of the point of collision from the ground or from any one top, or velocity before they collide together. So all are possible. See, let me explain the question. Just see Nana here. Generally, what is the path followed by this one? Here like this one, and it comes like this. Maybe possible to what? Collide at one position. Am I correct? Possible to this. Nana, okay, this. Possible or not? Yes. Now you see. This distance given 20 meters given this distance. Now, so while colliding both, generally while colliding here, you see Nana, it should be traveling some vertical distance y from the tower. It should be traveling some vertical distance y in the time how much? For example, at the P point, let A and B collide at P in T seconds. We want the value of D. We want the value of D means we need to find the horizontal distance covered. Here also the remaining distance how much Nana? This one is how much Newton? D minus X. So if we want to calculate the horizontal distance, we need to calculate the what is the value? T. And now you see. What is the vertical height of the particle? This is y. This is how much here? This is how much? y1. This is, suppose you can tell this is the yb. This is ya. Anybody tell me what is ya plus yb? Ya plus yb how much, Nana? Ya plus yb how much? No. Here, because right. Distance, this is distance ya yb, vertical or vertical ya yb. Ya plus yb how much? See this one. You just see here. This is the part. This is the part. This is the part. Total given 20 meters run. Then what is this distance? This is how much? This is already 10 gone. What is this distance? Then 10 only. Then what I write? YA plus YB equal to how much here? 10. So we need to write the formulas for YA, YB. I give you here, you see. So for A, vertical height from its position, from its initial position is how much? Tell me. YA equal to, you know formula, UA into sin theta minus half dt square, and one more you know, for B you tell, for B is vertically downward, YB equal to UB into T plus half A into T square. Initial velocity vertical downward 0 plus half into in downward direction plus G into T square. Half G square. Now you tell me. So here YA plus YB equal to how much here? UA into sin theta. How much none of this? 10 equal to UA value into T oil. T missing. Don't miss that. UA value how much here? This one UA. This is UB. Now tell me, UA equal to 10 root 2 into 45. 1 by root 2 into T. 10 cancel. How much this? T equal to. So the time taken by the time for the collision, how much? 1 second. Now if you are little smart, tell me the formulas one by one. What is the horizontal distance for A? D minus X is equal to. What is the horizontal distance? We want D value. So tell me. Horizontal distance for A. For A, D minus X is equal to horizontal component how much? Horizontal component. Very good. UA into cos theta T. And then UA 10 root 2 upon this 10 only equal to 10 meter. Then, of course, one step y with compromise this 10 root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1. 10 meters. So for B how much? For B X equal to for B horizontal velocity 10 time is T. Then for B you want D value, D minus X plus X, we get D only. For B, what is this? Horizontal velocity will be 10, time should be T. So we can write, very nice, UB into T. So 10 into 1, 10 meter. So we have got already answer, same only. What is that? D minus X plus X is equal to 10 plus 10. So chances there to ask the question YA or YB or from the bottom means 10 plus YA. You see here 10 plus YA, 10 plus YA, and also you know the timer. If you know the time means we can calculate the velocity of the first and the second one also. Getting none of my points here. Don't bound on only one question. Sir, you have given this. Only this means more there. More. That is advanced part. They ask you to determine. For example, I ask you, you tell me. What is YA? This is the part rover. And also find YA, YB and velocities of two particles A and B at the time of instant. For example, if they ask the questions, in material they have given only one, but we have chosen multiples. Tell me what is YA? Already you know YA here, there, here. UA 10 root 2, then 1, 10 minus half into 5, 5 meter. YA how much then? 5 meter. YB also 5 meter. Question is velocities only. The remaining no problem. YA equal to U sin theta into T minus half dt square. UA 10 root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 10 into 1. 5 meter. YB equal to how much direct? Half dt square. 10 into 1 square. 5 meter. Here we don't have any problem. But the problem comes on U is velocity. See here I explain that. Velocity of A in t seconds is a projectile. Projectile formula given. May or may not you remember. Now you see U sin theta minus et whole square. Clear nowadays? Velocity of V equal to root of Vx square plus Vy square. Root of Vx square means UV square plus GT whole square. Multiple applications in one question. Straight liner, single, one dimensional, two dimensional, both interlinked. This one are you remember formula? Are you remember now? First class. This one, horizontal projectile from top of a tower. Now you can calculate. You calculate the value. Nice questions. These are. Don't bound on only one question. Think possibilities from given question. Then you are able to answer any type of question. What will they ask in the exam? No doubt, no. Find answer. PAVD. Material given one question, but from that they have chosen all type of possibilities. If they ask direction, maybe you ask three questions, sir. Direction of first step, direction of BA. So what is alpha equal to tan inverse of Vy by Vx? What is Vy Nana here? U sin theta minus Gt by U cos theta. This is the number one. Suppose here is a direction of BB. So what I use theta equal to tan inverse of Vy by Vx. Constant all are Gt by U. B. UA. This is the way to approach into the numericals in any type of examination. Your seniors did well yesterday physics. We hope today also same. On an average, all they did more than 15 questions. Velocity of V200, very good. Root of 10 square plus 10 into 1. Okay, 10 root meter per second. Velocity of A, U cos theta, and already there, no, 10 root to 45. 10. So now I think again I reminder you Your material, not me. Your material already uploaded in the job portal. Try to enter in login and download. Start to do the numerical. Utilize your property everything. Maybe assignments also we upload today. So those also you start to do in a free time. For you peoples, both 11th and 12th, only regarding the subjective. Regarding the subjective. Any doubts from 11th and 12th? Because you peoples are going to upload the material, this one. You just send me a name, section, and question. You send me if I free, means in my free time. I don't have free time, morning to evening busy. In any case, if I free means after 8 o'clock or maybe afternoon between 3 to 5. If I free, I solve and then I send you the answers. Clear, Nana? Utilize. Only regarding subjective. For you peoples, both I1 and I2. Now, another two-dimensional motion is a relative motion. Standard, important for all levels. You practiced very well in the 11th class. Once again, I remind you basic formulas and then we start the numerical strictly. See this relative motion, the every applications, maybe in the 11th or maybe in the 12th, where we go to the motion, then we define this relative motion. You tell me, Nana, relative motion is appeared or real? It should be appeared or real? Relative. Nice. Only the point is we appeared, we feel that. Actually is moving towards east. We felt that maybe northeast or northwest. We appeared. Actually it does not change, but we appear to feel. This is moving like this, like this. Tell me, Nana, what is the expression here? For example, you see BA bar and BB bar. So tell me, Nana, what the idea is it? BAB bar equal to minus BBA bar, because BAB bar equal to BA bar minus BB bar, BBA bar equal to BB bar minus BA bar, but magnitude of both are equal. Tell me, Nana, what is that? Root over BA square plus BB square minus 2BA BB cos theta. Parallelogram law only we are using, but we go with the formula this. Sir, we want derivation. You don't require, but you see. This is the minus BB bar. What is the angle, Nana, between both? 180 minus theta. This is the VAB bar. VAB bar. So angle between the VA bar and minus VB bar 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. That's why written like this. Got all that? Everything clear? Both. And one more I reminder you. East, west, sorry, west, north, south. See here. What is this nana? Alpha, alpha, north of east or northeast. Beta, east of north. Alpha is north of east. Beta, east of north. This is I cap, minus I cap, J cap, minus J cap. And one more. A bar equal to I cap plus, okay, one step. Xi cap plus Yj cap. What is alpha value? Tan inverse of y by x is not east. And beta value how much? Tan inverse of x by y, east of north. Sir, we want the diagram, this one. See, only north is east of north. Depend on the angles, we should consider both. Brief. Brief means we can use these formulas in the numericals. Take this. Any equation we can shut it out in terms of I cap and G cap, J cap, and then we find the direction and then any application. Is easy for us. Vectors, very simple. Now I am going to give you one important model. To confirm this model, of course, what we are discussing, similar models will come. But this model confirm, direct question. Maybe numericals also will come directly. Because if you refer the books, the same numericals will display. Only distance value different. Distance value should be different. That is closest approach to bodies. Then a little confusion comes here, but you try to overcome that. Only you concentrate on board. Only by concentrate on board, you overcome the confusion. See, I explain now. Listen. Closest approach of alpha particle. We did in the case of Rutherford already. Closest approach of alpha particle, but not like this. This is a relative motion. It's a relative motion. Listen all you listen. For example, you see, don't write it. Listen. For example, you are moving like you are moving like this with some velocity, PA bar. And your friend is moving like this. Suppose like this is moving. VB bar means we can take like VB bar. What is the closest approach between you and your friend? Then how we take Nana that closest approach? We can draw one normal, no? This. Am I correct? This one only, no? Yes, this. Shortest distance. Very good. The closest approach means the minimum distance or shortest distance. Good. Minimum distance or shortest distance. That's all. Now you see the question. Or you see the question. Instead of giving the unknown values, we should go with a numerical directly. Question is, in a figure shown between two projectiles, you can take an heading like this. In the figure shown, the projectiles are fired. Projectiles are fired simultaneously. The minimum distance between them will be the minimum distance between them during time of flight will be important concept. Important, the closest approach between the projectiles. Normal, previously what I have given, that is easy. Lateral shift, normal shift, like that. Between the projectiles, collision concept there. Now again included the relative motion. This is also be another multi-conceptual part. Multi-conceptual relative motion with the projectile. Clear, Nana? Now diagram you see. 20 root 2. 60 degree. This is 20 meter per second. 30 degree. And this distance, this value will change. Otherwise, these are. They give you 10 root 2, 10, 100, like that. Maybe the numbers will change, or sometimes maybe angles will change. The procedure will be same. Procedure will be same. Sir, I take like this means not possible. This is moving like this. This is moving like this. Will you take? Will you take this? Any shortest distance? No. Here only shortest distance possible. Now you see. Number, only number will change. You can take this is UA, this is UB, this is I can take theta 1. Okay, why we take all are like this simple. Listen, all concentrate on board only. Concentrate only on board. UA equal to 20 root 2. Root 3, na? Root 3, right? Root 3 meter per second. UB equal to 20 meter per second. Here angle given 60 degree. Here angle given 30 degree. This distance 20 root 3. And now you see. This is moving like this, this is moving like this. Then how we determine the closest approach? Only based on the concept of the relative. They approach means that is a relative or a real. That is a relative or real. Relative. Now you see. While going to the relative part, I can take you see now. Velocities of B and A are. Velocities of A and B are. Tell me, Nana, VA bar equal to components I use. 20 root 3 cos 60 I cap plus 20 root 3 sin 60 j cap. We'll write how much? 10 root 3 I cap plus 60 root 3 30 j cap. Am I correct on this? Am I correct this? Vector representation, two components. Now, VB bar equal to, of course, here given UB now, okay, UA bar, UB bar equal. See, one is the negative side will come. Minus 20 cos 30 I cap plus 20 sin 30 j cap. We should write 10 minus 10 root 3 I cap, then plus 10 j cap. Now we have relative motion. Relative motion means velocity of B with respect to A is UBA bar equal. What I write now? UB bar minus UA bar. What is UB bar? This one minus 10 root 3 I cap minus 10 root 3 I cap minus 20 root 3 I cap, then plus 10 no, minus 30 minus 20 j. What is the direction of this one? Direction of this. See here, x axis, y axis you can take. This is x axis. Listen, Nana. All you listen. This is UA bar. UB bar minus UA bar. Minus UA bar means like this. How much angle with this one? 60 degree. You know already the vector is independent of the coordinating system. Means a frame of reference. Here you can take. Both are same or different? UA bar minus UA bar. That one I can take like this. Minus UA bar. How much angle Nana here? 60 degree. Here, now you just share with me what is where it is that the resultant UBA bar equal to minus 20. So direction of resultant with respect to with x-axis is how much? Alpha equal to tan inverse of y minus 20 by x minus 20 root 3. How much is that? 30 degree. So resultant is here you see. This is the resultant. UB bar minus UA bar. Now you tell me where is the closest approach? This one. Give the names. A, B, you can see N. So what is the closest approach here? See, closest approach, A, N. This is the relative, this is A going on. So what is the shortest distance? Instead of here, shortest distance how much? A. That's all, over concept. So angle, you know, this angle how much, Nana? This angle, alpha. Now tell me how do you determine this? Therefore, AM is the what? Closest approach between A and B. Therefore, sin alpha equal to, what is that? X by, suppose you can take D, fixed for any type of numerical. This is fixed. This formula fixed for any type. Equal to how much? 20 root 3 into sin 30. How much answer? Maybe number will change. Number 100, 200, 300, 50 root 3 like that. No problem. Maybe you people get a set. You have taken UBA bar. I take UAB bar. I give you that one also. So understanding this concept. First you take this one, first step, second step, third, four, five. Five major steps. So here you know well about this procedure. We remove the two steps. This one. No need to write now. Already we know components. But you have written neatly. But actually, no need to write. We save our time. You need UAB bar or you can follow this. Actually, if I give you, then it's good for you. But you are in online, how I check your copies? While you are interesting to show me the copies, but in video, you're able to see. Anyway, I explain. You just check your answer. Again, I tell you, Nana, what will change? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only numbers will change. Procedure same. Procedure same. Only numbers will change. So keep remember these 5 steps. Then you don't have any problem. This direction, take care. Direction, you take care. No need to do another one. Okay, you just share with me where is the distance here. This is UVA bar. Where is UAB bar? Its magnitude same, but the directions are reversed. Where is UB bar? This one. This is what? UAB bar. Am I correct? UAB bar, UB bar. I give it same only. Continue. Am I correct? Same only. You want, you can take, no problem. UAB bar. Positive will come both. Both positive will come. Yes. UAB bar positive only will come. Both. 20 रुपये plus 20 J. Then we'll get the answer. Here also. This is the shortest distance. What is this? N dash also X. The normal which is drawn from the relative motion between the two projectiles means from the relative motion between the two projectiles to the fixed point may be on A, may be on B. If you take B with respect to A, fixed point on A. If you take A with respect to B, fixed point is B. Can remember? I give you here. UBA normal drawn between UBA means normal drawn from a bilateral like this one. A is fixed. UAB, B is fixed point. Points are like this. Standard model. Keep remember standard. It's a standard model. Got the procedure? Tell me, Nana, have you got the procedure? Very good. Now I don't ask again time of collision. Then vertical components, you know, if they are collided, vertical components are same or different? Vertical components, same or different? Same. Those procedure already we did it. Keep remember. Keep remember. Don't mix them. Here, this is the model. Important model. Means suppose maybe I change the values, you don't get the direction easily. That's why I'm given only half of part. If you are start detail like no problem, can solve. Same procedure you follow. Modulation only you can take. No problem. Not all cases. Keep remember. So first time only we have written more, but second time less. Brief. Written. You can solve. You can solve. Don't mix them. Now all you seen here, you know formulas, but I reminder you before I give you the numerical. Just brief, listen. All you listen. Now, if you want to cross the river by using the boat, or any other, you have a lot of automobiles, no? Means some. You can use and then you cross the river. But here we want to cover shortest distance after crossing the river. Generally, you know, if you start A and then you want to reach the point B, here there is no flow of water. Water at rest still remains rest with respect to ground. Can you move along the path AB or any other path? There is no flow of water. Along AB or only this? Any other path? AB only. Suppose flow occurs, then if a flow happen here, then we can change our path or not. Yes. So we need to cover. We should row the boat. We should row the boat with respect to what? This is the velocity of the boat. Here only. This one. Making angle how much, for example, let it be a theta with respect to bank of the river. And this is how much? 90 plus theta with respect to flow of water. Then you can go like this and finally reaches the point P. C. This is the X. Shortest distance. Tell me the components I can use. This is the actual flow of water. This is the V boat. V boat or V man or V swimmer. Anyone. He wants to reach the other point. He can go along this path. Now you tell me what are the components. This is VB cos theta and this one is the VB sin theta. VB sin theta. If we cross the river, then V sin theta should be balanced by VW. So sin theta equal to VW upon VB. Now what is VAB? Velocity along this one. No need, no. Time taken to cross the river. TAB is equal to distance D upon velocity how much then? VB cos theta. D upon VB cos theta can be written VB cos theta. This is hypotenuse, this is the normal VW, so I can write root of VB square minus VW square. If we want, we can take sin theta VW upon VB, cos theta this one only. VB becomes a denominator. Okay, now PAB. The same is that what is X here? And shortest distance covered is X. Therefore, tan theta equal to X by what it is. Tan theta nothing but what I write. VW upon V root over constant X equal to D tan theta. So D into VW upon root of VB square minus. Only the procedure helps us to calculate the numericals from this instead of remembering the formulas. Remember, this is also important for the multiple optional questions. Maybe they ask you theta with respect to the vertical or with respect to the flow. Anyone? Simple questions. Vb is the velocity of boat. Bw is the velocity of river. Means water in the river. Both should be with respect to ground. Remember, both are with respect to ground, not with respect to each other. With respect to each other, this one doesn't really. We thought that to reach the point B, but actually we don't go exactly to the point B. We need to reach the point B, we should roll a boat, making some angle with the vertical. Sir, I want to roll a boat this side. If you roll this side, if you go farther from B or towards B. That's all. Okay. So in which case we can reach the other side in the shortest time? This one or that? Right side. Left or right? Shortest time. Shortest time. If you want to reach the other end, whatever the distance, you can go the boat towards right or left. Or exactly maybe. I think you have not got it. I again repeat this one. See, if you want to reach the point, means other side, in the shortest time, you want to go the boat along AB or along AC or right side of AB. See, question here what is that? TA is equal to D by dB cos theta. D by dB cos theta. For shortest time, theta value should be theta value how much? Shortest time means BB we cannot change, B we cannot change. Cos theta is maximum, T value is minimum. So when cos theta maximum, theta equal to T value minimum means theta should be 0 degree. 0 means it should be low, exactly perpendicular to what? This one. We want to reach the other end of river. Then boat must be entering the other end of the river in shortest time. The boat must be rowed along exactly perpendicular to the flow of water. Very, very important. See this. Listen the concept. All listen the concept. A, B. This is B. We want to row the boat along A, like this. Along A, B. But are you going along A? When you start along A, but we cannot go along A because of flow of water. So what is your part? Right side or left side? Right. What I am doing here is moving going to be flow water this side. We should go right or left side? Right side only. This one. This is the point C. X dash you can take. So BBW root over BB square plus CW square. And the angle with respect to this is 90. Here is angle alpha. Apply the conditions. T minimum equal to D by BB. T by BB. X dash nothing but a shift of boat from B case BC equal to X dash equal to what we do? X dash equal to X dash. Therefore, alpha equal to X dash 90. X dash equal to D into tan alpha. One more you see. One more you see here. Sin alpha equal to what is this? BB by BB of W. BB upon root of BB square plus CW square. Tan alpha equal to what is opposite? BW upon BB adjacent. So x dash equal to D into BW upon BB. Standard model, very important. See, concept only decides to solve the numerical in any type of exam. But these type of questions only go to right. Keep remember. Now I give you time to ask me doubts. Try. Then sir, how it is like this, or I talk like this. Anyone, you can try and tell me. We need to reach the point B, but we shifted to C from B. This is the shortest distance covered. It's coming like this, it's going here. But this is the shifted. Both actually B point, but it's shifted. Nothing written, right? Kameshwar, now visible. See how I have written the formulas there. It's strike sin alpha. Right, wrong I have written, I think. Correct or wrong? Try this one, sir. Right, sin alpha how much? Opposite. BW ma, what ma, बिल्कुल sir. Tan alpha, BW by D. Opposite, BC, sin alpha, BC, BW. Don't miss evening. Yesterday we discussed cost applications. Today we finish potential. Tomorrow onwards I give you revision for 12th in the evening section. Total. You want to do one question? At least one. Very good. Hey, upstream or downstream are not given. Are you remember upstream, downstream? Upstream or downstream? Are you remember? Yes. See the question. Small l. The velocity of water in the river 4 km/h while width is 200. The boat is lowered from a point rowing, always aiming the opposite point at the km/h of still water. Velocity. On reaching the opposite bank, the drift obtained is drift means this side, left side. You know already. You see now. Aiming in the object exactly opposite means you can row the boat left side or right side or straight. If you go straight, then automatically you move at other side. Very good. Tell me. Little shift occurs there. Formula. Shift is equal to direct. X dash equal to D into VW by VD. Well, over now, I will go on. How much is D value? 200. VW how much is 4. VB how much is 8. 100 meter. Like this there, we can solve along with the circular motion concept on tomorrow. Okay, Nana? Thank you all. Take care. Take care, all of you. Bye-bye. Concept of approach, closest approach. Practice Nana once again. Try to do the numericals from our material. Thank you all. Bye-bye.